Okay. See this electric cable coming across here? That's called your service drop. And it's not supposed to be in the trees like that. Trees are not supposed to be touching your service drop. Also, this is called your service entrance conduit. Weather mass, weather head, call it what you will, but this conduit and the head is supposed to be extended above the roof line. 3 feet actually. So it's improper. It's probably nice there. It probably protects it from the rain. I get that. Another thing what we've got going on here is you see how this cable's coming in the bottom of the weather mast? Weather head right there? See that? That's called a drip loop. See the two above it? See the top two? They don't have much of a drip loop. Water can curl 3 inches. So they have insufficient drip loop. Then you're supposed to have the sides and the top of the meter box supposed to be sealed to help prevent water, moisture from getting into the wall like that. And then if I'm not mistaken, now I have to look this up, but I have some suspicions that this meter might be too close to the window. Just saying. Coming in along here, your main electric service panel, breaker box, this should not be installed in a wet location, in laundry, like mine. Now this is 1964, I mean that's just the way we did it back then, but it's not supposed to be here. It's not supposed to be here by today's current standards. Coming along here. There we go. It's rated for 200 amps. Cabinet wasn't nailed in place. That's a good thing. Not supposed to have a gap more than 1/8 of an inch. And the bonding location is supposed to be labeled inside of here. That's what we got. These aluminum cable and these aluminum wires. They're supposed to have antioxidant paste on them. We do not have antioxidant paste. We do not have a main service principle. I get it. 5 throws or less in the span of a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll de-energize the whole panel? I don't know. I think you should have a main principle. 17 and 18. Let's look at this. 17 and 18. Main house. So in theory, you do have a main. But what do we not have here? What's 15 and 16? Top oven, bottom oven. This is a 220 circuit right here. That's why it's red and black. See this little handle? This tie, it's called a tie, handle tie. It's supposed to have a handle tie here. It's supposed to have a handle tie, so we're missing a handle tie. A trip tie is what I'm going to say on the report. And we got a nice handle tie over here for all these 30 amp breakers. If they are all 30 amp breakers, I can't tell. All I can tell is this one. If this is the truth, if all of these are 30 and they're all on the same trip tie, then this is undersized.